All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. So, if you guys are a homeowner and you're trying to do your own home repairs on electrical work and you're not really an electrician like you are or not, and you're watching this video, assuming that's why you're here, what you want to do before you touch anything is you want to take pictures throughout the whole way. So, take a picture of how it's hanging on the wall, of whatever you're doing, unscrew the thing from the wall, take some more pictures, both sides, front and back, left and right. And then when you put in your new device, whether that be a light switch, a receptacle, or a plug-in, a three-way switch, or anything like that, you're not really going to have any problems because you're going to have exactly how it was before. So if you mess it up and it doesn't work, then you can put it back to how it was. Or if you get the exact same part, you can just take it and then screw it in and match the same exact thing, assuming that the two devices are exactly the same. So that is my quick advice to not mess anything up. If you're trying to do anything different than that, install something, change out a light fixture, change out a receptacle or a light switch or something completely different with like whatever Bluetooth wireless or like whatever extra wires, then you're going to need to find a different video that shows a demonstration of that, whether that's on YouTube or you need to hire a real electrician to come to your house or whatever. So if you just go from the beginning to end with the same device, you shouldn't have a problem. But if you're trying to install something different from the system that you currently have, you're going to need a video for that. So that's my quick advice for you guys. Good luck.